Gaming PC in a fish tank. Let's build it. The first time we built a tank PC, everyone debated the liquid we used. Well, today, we're gonna tell you. This PC build starts with a fluval tank complete with RGB lighting. And you know we had to get the UV reactive pebbles and plants. Oh, and I almost forgot Scuba Steve. Let's get the top off this tank and get to work putting in the standoffs. The motherboard and PC components are what we'll mount on these. Now we'll create some pass-throughs for the tubes. In with the high volume pump, then it's to screwing on the fittings. Time to mount the motherboard, which did take some preparation. We actually had to prepare with indium pads both on the processor and the GPU. Normal thermal paste definitely doesn't work under liquid. Believe us, we know. We also found these awesome flow nozzles from an aquarium store so we can direct the liquid straight to the processor and the GPU. We'll plug in these power supply extensions and it's time to start prettying up this tank. You can already tell this thing's gonna start to look good. I don't know what it is about these little pebbles, but they're so satisfying. And in goes Scuba Steve. Lastly, throwing in the plants, and then it's on to a liquid reveal. We use Submer 3.0. It's a fully biodegradable dielectric coolant. It doesn't evaporate and has a shelf life of 15 years. The fluid is not just mineral oil, it's definitely something special, patented by Submer. As this thing fills, we know it feels unnatural to have electronics submerged under fluid. But that's exactly what this stuff is made for. It's non-conductive. And the cooling efficiency of liquid is 8 to 10 times better than air. But what really steps this up another notch is the fact that we connected this to an aquatic tank chiller. This allows us to drop the temperature of the tank to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's let it rip. Now that this thing is done, let us know, would you rock a fish tank PC? Also let us know if you'd like to see some testing. We'd love to show you how it performs.